named #1 for jobs growth early last year by the Initiative for Competitive Inner Cities. Together, we have announced more than 9,000 jobs since 2019, 739 just last year alone. The Little Rock Port Authority continues to be a prime location for jobs growth in our city. In the center of the state, it is a hub of road and rail, river and runway, setting us apart from any other locale in the region and country. We've worked closely with the port to purchase the necessary land to support expansions like those announced by Afco Steel and Amazon to position ourselves for more jobs, more economic opportunities, and more help for our residents. This is how we grow forward together. We've also seen the expansion of Little Rock-based Arcana and at Apogee, a homegrown education tech startup that's one of the fastest growing tech companies in the world. Jetson George could have gone anywhere where he started Apogee in 2015, but instead he became the first tenant at the Little Rock Tech Park. Apogee's rapid success proves that we can compete for tech jobs with anybody, anywhere. We've made and kept promises when it comes to commercial development that enhances the quality of life. Places like Main Event and Waterbury are about to discover what Trader Joe's and Costco learned very quickly. Little Rock is great for business. And this spring, with the help of the city board and the local economic development partners, Topgolf will break ground on its newest location, I-430 and Colonel Glenn Road. It's been a long time coming, but there it is. It's expected to bring, along with this, even more retail development in that growing corridor of West Little Rock. Some may say the beginning of Southwest Little Rock. We are committed to working